Everyone, so tindi check. Nandito man tayo sa resort. Outfit natin. Mamaya malayo kami sa food. Anyway, mag-ano na dito. 9 a.m. the morning. Hindi ako nakatulog. Kaya ganyan man ako. No? Pero mas malala kasi nandito kami sa gilid ba. Sa may reception. Tapos pag may sasakyan, ang ingay. So, today, magpaano talaga ako, magpa-transfer ako ng room. Kung kailangan ko mag-upgrade ako. Kasi ang ingay, hindi kami makatulog isa kasi maingay mo yung mga motor. Tapos yung tao nag-inquire, mag-breakfast. So, naging paki ako. Inano ko yung, ano namin kaya. Pa-change ako ng room.
Sit in. Why do you want to sit there?
Ano, dar, ba't belyay? Sige na. Breakfast. Egg. Ayaw ko man mag-rice. May rice sila. Pero ayaw ko rice. Kasi mag-soup. Tayo. So, may fried egg. Breakfast area nila. Very spacious. Some hot dog. Pumpkin hip ada po here. Tapos bread. Mag-bread na. Wala sila masyadong bread yan. Kain. Si Kyrie naligo na siya. Ay. So, ito yung pa-view dito. Mamaya i-tour ko kayo dito. Kasi pag gusto nyo magpunta dito sa Bohol, no? I'm gonna turn them around. First, we need to transfer the room. Yan ang pa-room namin. Pero, impake muna ako. Transfer na kami dito sa, ano, same ng room nila, April. What do you think?
I hope we will have a much better room.
Yeah. Kami dito ngayon, magawa ko ng kape kayong kape dito. Ano man no? Hindi ba? Para lang siyang tubig doon sa breakfast. May free coffee pero kami kasi ni Saki, gusto ng very strong coffee so nagbili ako ng Nescafe. Kasi we can't do without coffee in the morning.
Not really.
Yeah, I can't and my darling can't, so we're both same in that respect. So mag-coffee muna kami. Mag-coffee muna kami so we can continue our day. Ito na, sakto na, matapang na, kasing tapang ng ano. Pumpkin, here's your coffee.
Yeah.
You have some macarons na binili namin yesterday. You can get the chair. Maybe put the chair there.
Oh, yeah. Good idea.
Or you can drink your coffee there. Would you like to drink your coffee outside here?
Now, here.
We only have
There.
one chair.
No, it's yours. Yeah, you sit down.
Thank you.
Get my coffee.
What's wrong?
Yeah, the coffee that we had this morning at breakfast was not very strong.
No.
I would really like to start the day off with some strong coffee.
You like coffee?
Oh, espresso. Unfortunately, they don't have a coffee machine here. If you have a good coffee machine, you will have good coffee most of the time.
This is our room. No, very spacious now. We have 2 bed, twin size. So, and ito yung ano nila. Ito yung ano nila, deluxe sea view. Very spacious. So, kung punta kayo dito sa Bold Tropics, yung i-book nyo deluxe sea view kay ilang parom nila, very modern. Tapos dito, my darling there. And the toilet over here. Ito yung pauti din natin. Yung paan nila pa shower. Malaki yung pa shower nila. Very spacious. Tapos may lalagyan pa sa mga anik-anik dito. Yung isa wala. So I'm very happy na transfer ako. Very spacious. Tapos dito may ano pa. Table. And we have the kuan.
Small balcony.
Yeah. Yeah, overlooking the sea. Nice. They have a tennis there. And I think you can do island hopping. Island hopping. Tapos yung Tagbilaran Port nandun lang. So malapit lang talaga kami sa port. Dito kami nagstay. Dito ako nagbook kasi dito kami nagpunta yung sakit. Yung nagbago pa kami. Getting to know each other. So nice.
Yeah.
You're happy now?
Yeah, this is an upgrade.
Yeah. So. Hi, Kai.
Hello, welcome.
Where are you going to, Dikay?
You're going to Chocolate Hills. I'm excited.
Excited mo ka kag chocolate?
Yeah.
Tila dito sa chocolate hills ha. Ka-excited ya ka man to. Hi, Ate Shan. Na-princess na mo. Hinambit. Siya na, I look like a princess there.
Yeah.
Who is it,
Can
my
really
darling? Yeah. Not for the occasion.
Yeah.
It's good. So today, change plan kami. Magpunta kami sa ano, yung tours. Ito. Punta kami nito ay.
Ay, ano na, mga floating restaurant ako.
Nara kay ay. Dito kami magbayad sa ano. Floating restaurant. Ay, duha dahil ni ka competition po dahil sila.
Downstream, upstream. From
Ah.
dire.
Mas nindot dire? Ah. Hi, Kai! Bohot Floating Restaurant.
Sige na mo, picture naman. Picture na ko.
Punta na kami. Wow, ka nice! Nice menu?
Hello, good morning, mabuhay.
Good morning.
This way.
Unsa na mo?
Boat number 2.
Number 2? Pumpkin boat number 2. Kay, ayaw pagkuha ni mong cellphone kay mataga kayo sa pakuha na day.
There also weird fish,
Oh yeah, there's a fish.
very small.
Oh, they're waiting. Ano ka man? Na day? Nagkain na pala oh. Daming tao. Dili kay dili. Dito kami sa ano, floating restaurant.
You're full.
Nagkain na sila pero ako hindi pa. Last na akong nagkain kasi daming taas linya. Ayaw ko maglinya. Tingnan natin yung pagkain nila. Ay, rice. Pansit. Mangin dito eh. Ayan, what is it? Barbecue. Wow. Ito gusto ko kang. May halo-halo pa sila. Salad. Almost. Dami lang pagkain, oh. Be! Tingnan nyo yung bata, oh. Ano yan, talong sa yan. Kai! Hi! Magto ka, be? Be, ngadto mama inday, be. Mataga kayo na yung cellphone. Pumpkin! Wow, good job, Kyrie! Pumpkin ko yung may to video makan. Video.
not on?
Yeah, it's not.
Come on, don't take it.
Raw ka kuan here. Ah, this is restaurant. Look more in here. Pumpkin door will open. Day! Asa ka?